Hi, this is Aditya from Team Edge. We developed a system called EdgePay, which is a financial inclusion system to assist the community or help the community in going financial and in solving the financial inclusion problem faced by many of our communities. So, this system leverage on the National Identity Management Scheme. So basically we're using the NIN, which is the national identity number, and the VIN for authentication. Already everybody or every Nigerian needs to have this number, so by the virtue of that, every Nigerian is a key player in our system. So this time actually has three key players: the admin player, end user, and we have the agent. So for this system, using this test case, this login for the admin, for the agents, then this login for the end users. So the URL to the system is edgepay.tech. Okay, so it's up, explaining that this system is meant for all Nigerians. So we saw that it's not mandatory you register on our system to send money. So you can actually send money without registering on the system. That's why you can just go to send money anonymously. So when you use this, sorry, that's how. Okay, when you use this, you can just put the person you are sending money to. So for our test case, we're using this NIN. So we're going to copy this NIN for our test case. Now, what type of an entity is NIN? So and then verify. On verify, the system checks the NIN against the API of the National Identity Management to be sure that the user exists. So on checking, we can see that it's verified that the person is Aditya Sylvester Ebijola. So we can go ahead. Now this is the person's phone number, but we need to be sure that this number is still the number in use, because this system sends SMS to both the sender and the party that is to receive. So we are sure that's the number, so we can move on. Then who is sending? The person sending is Josh Aladdin. Then the sender's phone, that's the sender's phone is 08188956041. Email Josh Aladdin@gmail.com. Amount is sending 2,000 naira. So we need this data for the KYC because we need to send both SMS and email. So when we click on send, it moves into the various payment options. Here the person can use a wallet because the person is not registered. So if he clicks this, it will fail. But the person has the opportunity to use card payments. So for the card payments, it takes him to a card payment site where you can pay with card, and the person can go ahead to use MasterPass. MasterPass is also a payment where you use a banking app to scan to make payments. Then once you make the payments, you get an SMS, and immediately the person that is doing so also get an SMS to go to any agent's location. So let's go to the second scenario. The second scenario is when you log in as an agent. So an agent actually sends money on behalf of somebody else. So sorry. So let me go to an agent's location, tell them how to send money to somebody via the NIN. The agent needs to log in. Welcome. Okay. So we're good with the login. So the agent has various menu on his end. The agent can fund his wallet and do some other stuff, but yeah, basically what we are concerned with is send money. So the agent can actually go ahead and send money. When the agent clicks on send money, okay, we have to put the NIN of who we are sending the money to. So we'll put this again. NIN, we need to do some verification, so it's verified. As we said initially, we fill the basic KYC, phone number, are sending 3,000. So you can go ahead. So for the agent needs to pay from his wallet. Now it's seen that this agent does not have enough money in his wallet. Let's just go ahead with the value we're sure he has. Let's say sending 100 naira. So go ahead. Okay, successful. He has sent the money successfully. So SMS will be sent to both the sender and the receiver. Then the agent can proceed again to receiving money. Probably the receiver has come to the agent to receive the money. He clicks on receive money. So the first thing you ask the receiver, can I have your NIN number? So the receiver comes, gives the NIN, is pasted, then take the type of identity NIN to verify, to be sure. Okay, now it's indicated that that's his name. We ask him that's his name because the receiver needs to show a means of identification. If he does not have one, we are still fine. So we have the biometrics scanner to authenticate the user. So once it comes to put his hand on, click on confirm, then it checks. Okay, fine, this biometrics is also for a begin at the tire, so we are fine with it. So going ahead, it will list all the transactions for the person. Then we can check. Now the sense means the money has been sent, but he has not received the money. The received means he has received the money one time or the other. So let's pick this, the one sent by Abraham some seconds ago. Let's use social code. So when it comes to this place, it shows the transaction details, and then he can check out. That's to cash out the money. So when it does cash out, the money is credited to the agent's wallet, and the agent hands over cash to the party that wants to do that. So the agent also have the opportunity to do so many services like fund transfer. You can transfer money to bank accounts. You can pay for your power bills. You can pay for data subscription, airtime. You can pay for your cable TV and lots more. Okay, so the third player on the system will be an end user. So for the end user, you can log in also. Welcome. So okay, so it takes us to the end user's dashboard. So for the end user's dashboard, you can see the amount he has in his wallet. You can see the amount of unclaimed money. The unclaimed money are the money that people sent to him that he has not claimed into his wallet. You can see the number of transactions he had so far, 14 transactions. Then the total transaction value, all the transactions he has done so far, what's the value. So he also has the ability to send money, receive money, and cables. So to send money, follow the same process we have before in sending money. So we're going to use this NIN again. So when it does that, okay, it's verified. We fill this basic KYC. What's called that his name, phone number 078987812. Then westcall@gmail.com. So how much is he sending? Is sending 5,000 naira. So you can click on proceed. So here he has various means of paying. He can pay from his wallet because it's registered on the system. You can pay with a card, or you can pay using MasterPass. So for this purpose, let me use a card. So using the card, you can actually do this. Let's make a demo. Successful. So the payment has been successful. Then you can move on. That's fine. Now, for him to make money saving, he can only receive money from himself. The money sent to him, and what it does when it goes to receive is actually to claim the money, and the money adds up to his wallet. So this is the list of all the money sent to him. So I can decide to pick up any of them. Let me see, I'm picking up this, and doing that, it displays the details. They can click on cash out, and technically it does mean transaction value credited to your wallet. Now, we're not limiting them to just keeping money in their wallet or making cash out or anything, but we're giving them opportunity to also do some self-service, of which they can pay for their cables themselves, they can do airtime subscription, they can do data subscription, they can pay bills. And we made this thing interesting in such that they can also send money from their wallets to their bank accounts, and they can also send money from their wallets to other bank accounts in case they need to send money to anybody. So thank you. This is where we'll be stopping for today. There are so many other functionalities in the system that we hope will be completed anytime soon, but it's actually fun doing this. Thank you.